By the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
Well, the National Weather Service has got that winter weather advisory pretty much area-wide here for the WLFI viewing area. Now, Benton, Newton, Jasper, Pulaski, and Fulton counties under a winter storm warning. And as expected, the main area of rain, even a little sleet today, has moved off to the east. There is a slight lull here in central Illinois. And, of course, they've got this blizzard to our northwest and a lot of pretty heavy snow and wind over parts of Missouri. Now, meanwhile, in our area, we've got pretty widespread freezing drizzle. Just looked outside here, and there's a layer of ice forming pretty much on everything. Trees, the railing on the sidewalk there. So, again, there will be slick spots. We're already down into the 20s here. And I think what will happen overnight tonight, some areas of light snow will likely form here to our southwest and then pivot northeastward. But any accumulation would be under 1 inch. In fact, one of the bigger issues could actually be that freezing drizzle that's around the area. There goes the Arctic cold front swinging through, so the cold air is rushing in. And then this, what we call a trowel on the backside of a very strong low, will pivot in from the west and southwest tomorrow. And with this is a lot of wind, a lot of cold air, and this will be our accumulating snow for mainly tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. And again, that's when the winds will pick up a lot as well. The front's gone through, so the temperature is tanking. Notice the blue line, that's the freezing line, quickly swinging eastward. We're 29 here at LFI, 28 at Fowler, 29 at Remington. It's already 26 degrees at Pence, though still 40 at Kokomo and Atlanta. Will be falling quickly there shortly. Sunday forecast, though, some areas of light snow tomorrow morning, 24 degrees. Bit of a brisk west wind. The wind will pick up more by noon with snow increasing 26. We're in the teens at 5, but check out that wind, 25 to 45 miles an hour. The wind will really kick up late in the day. Widespread snow and widespread blowing snow as it does begin to accumulate. So again, with the wind and the snow in place for tomorrow, the visibility will come down. And again, if you're going to be headed out and about tomorrow evening or even Monday morning, rough travel expected, then potentially additional snowfall towards the early to middle parts of the upcoming week. There's Futurecast. Again, we've got the main wave of rain pulling away. We're changing it to some freezing drizzle, a little sleet, a little bit of snow action for the overnight. But the main area of snow will come in tomorrow afternoon, last right into the evening. That's when the winds will really pick up, visibility goes down. It'll be snowing right through tomorrow night, and even as you get up on Monday morning, I think the bulk of the snow may be pulling away, but the winds will still be strong. It'll be bitterly cold, and there will be widespread blowing and drifting. Snowfall totals, though, again, haven't changed much from 6 o'clock. The data is still right on track here. You head north here, up towards the Wheatfield area, Rensselaer, also Francisville, Maderryville, Winnemac, Rochester, and Morocco. About 4 to 6 inches of snow here, 2 to 4 Attica, Lafayette, towards Delphi, Monticello, Tipton, and Peru, also towards Logansport. And finally, near the I-74 corridor here, about 1 to 2 inches. And this is the Snowcast product we're going to run. You can see where the heavier accumulations are by early Monday morning. So even though we got 4.4 Winnemac, there are going to be places up here that have 5.5 inches, pushing 4 Monticello and Logansport, 3.4 Delphi, about 3 in Lafayette and Frankfort, and less as you head southward, perhaps 2.2 inches at Williamsport and 3.6 inches at Peru. So a little periodic snow and freezing drizzle tonight. Again, any snow accumulation under 1 inch. The snow kicks in tomorrow, and the winds will really start to kick up, especially later on in the day. Very cold temperatures, and finally, very cold to start the week, and we may be looking at an accumulating snow event on Wednesday. It looks like a minor event right now, perhaps 2-3 inches, and it's going to stay cold all week.
Great, thanks for